Kasalelye Manko, Chairman and Success Kachung Kachinwangi, out the penman Kabeseo, Macau na Batasang ni Opsan Kapnan Wayne Pohnpei, Pansansan Bachon Wai or Mori Namasan and Pohnpei. On January 28, 2021, the Honorable Reed P. Oliver, Governor of Pohnpei State, received official communications from His Excellency David W. Panuelo, President of the Federated States of Micronesia, consisting of a joint medical report on the MV Chief Milo and a letter informing Governor Oliver that President Manuelo is authorizing the disembarkation of the crew and passengers of MV Chief Milo in FSM at the completion of the required quarantine and isolation period. The quarantine and isolation period ends on January 28, 2021. In reply to President Panuelo's official communication, Governor Oliver thanked President Panuelo for sharing the medical report and findings that concluded the crew of MV Chief Milo have completed their quarantine requirements and pose no threat to the community, but noted that one positive case remains on board. Governor Oliver wrote, "The people of Pohnpei State remain very concerned. The State Task Force strongly recommends full compliance with the decrees and respectfully honors both the FSM and Pohnpei State resolution prohibiting disembarkation on Pohnpei of any passengers from any COVID-19 infected areas at this time." Pohnpei State position with regards to MV Chief Milo has been consistent and made known to the public and the national government. Pohnpei State does not allow the disembarkation of the crew and passengers of the MV Chief Milo because one positive case remains on board. While Pohnpei State has allowed MV Chief Milo to come to Anchorage and has assisted with food, provision, fuel, and other needs and services, disembarkation into Pohnpei is not permitted. Thank you, Kalangan. Ni January sa 8, parang 3 sa kayo, Kapina Oliver Bachawan Aleti, Kasilugaw kay isang President and Kanta Kakabachabachan Micronesia is Excellency David W. Panuelo. Kasilugaw bukach mayangaki, Poitan tatok penamemiyanan pungan rais na menanwunikan, sang non-government and Pohnpei OFSM, o yangaka kasilugawan kabese wong kabinan Pohnpei, and bachawan me President mo itatar irailakan, me bachpacha Ponsov MV Chief Milo, and karatiyang tetodiyar na nabasem, moran aray pan kanakela aray chingal quarantine. Aray chingal quarantine ay musakla ni January sa 8, baryak 3 sa kayo. Kabanaan Pohnpei bachawan Qatar chingal pasatlang ongan President chingal kasilukaw kan o bachawan kapungki kapese me pitata Israel me bachpacha Ponsov MV Chief Milo. Aray kanakalar aray chingal quarantine. O so chaka barpen metene raga katar lumum takapinsalet COVID-19 ong way tenan ko sanakan aramas me positivo pachpachoche Ponsov Milo kabina bachowan nanen kabina chingal kasilukowo e bachowan aramasan Pohnpei sabalman ko kapunat laut sabalman Pohnpei Task Force ni ngetenget kawait kekchailan pekyong o wauniki kasan tumemiye sang FSM o win Pohnpei chailan ter mo itata pachoto anurailakan sang wasakan memiye COVID-19 and so watch. Sabalmen Pohnpei kasan diyong MV Chief Milo miyeya rosansal ong wipakon o bislapen FSM. Pohnpei socha mo itong railakan me bachpacha Ponsov MV Chief Milo and pachoto Polen Pohnpei Pwede emenurail bachawan kolokol mosan COVID-19 positive. Pohnpei mo itong sop Milo, and pachotonan limeros, Pohnpei yan kachkiyon sopot sawasan chungon, pil ka sosangan anan chikan, karatiyong Ponsov, Pohnpei socha mo itata. Kalanganan kupur koros, ayay mechaw tepen men kair, magaw na batasang, sabal machay lopsan kapinan wain Pohnpei. Kalangan o kasalelye.